Welcome to mybangaloreproperty.com. Today we are at the HRBR layout. Today I am going to show you independent duplex house at HRBR layout near Jalvayu Vihar layout. This is a duplex house with car parking. So the house comes with the duplex format with one car parking area, and all the side we have a setback area, front, right side, left side, back side, all the side we have. So just below the staircase we have some storage area here. Could be utilized as a bathroom or can be utilized as a storage room. So this is the main door, east facing. It's a teak woodwork door with the marble flooring. A very beautiful brand new construction of marble flooring with the teak woodwork of windows and doors. Very good quality construction, pillar constructions. This is opposite angle of the main door. This is the hall area. So at the ground floor we have one very beautiful spacious master bedroom in the ground floor. It's a very spacious room. Room size approximately 14 by 12. It comes with the attached bathroom. This is bathroom. And now the most important place of the house, the kitchen area. Here we have an open kitchen with a dining area and the utility space. This house comes with the semi-furnished format, where in the kitchen area you have ready-made wardrobes and the storage area, like it's a modular kitchen, where you have a slab of 2 inches, 12 mm thick slab will be have provision for chimney, storage for the wall unit, and this will be our utility area. Here you have a lot of space to keep things, drying, washing, cleaning, maintenance, everything can be done from here. In the utility area we have a sump here, storage approximately 10,000 liters of water. So this is in from the kitchen, reverse towards hall area. Now we have a staircase going for the first floor. There we have a large master bedroom 3. So here we are at the first floor, where we have a 3 master bedrooms with attached bathrooms and small family sit-out place. So this is the first bedroom here. Then this is a master bedroom next. Then we have a staircase here, and this is the third bedroom going on the right hand side. And then we have a terrace open. This is one bedroom here, which is size about approximately 9 by 11 or 9 by 10. A little bit small, but quite open. Then we have a master bedroom here with attached bathroom with wardrobes, provision for AC, cross ventilation windows, big windows for a good brightness in the room. Completely marble flooring in the house with wall mounted wardrobes, beautiful color combination, a simple and standard color combination. Now this is our master attached bathroom, very spacious. The size would be around 6 by 12 or 10 approximately. Then we have another master bedroom here at the front side of the house, where you have a balcony as well. So a cross ventilation, small windows, marble flooring, teak wood doors, windows, built-in wardrobes. And here we have an attached bathroom. So this is a dressing room as well as attached bathroom. Quite spacious and square type of bathroom here. The size would be approximately 6 by 9. And this will be our front balcony. At the front balcony you have very good view outside the house, where you have a tree here. This is the front. Quite spacious main road. Wall cladding, stone claddings are there. Now I'm going for the terrace. So at the terrace we have fully open terrace area, and surrounding area you can see very beautiful neighborhood you have. So main thing what we need to understand here, this house is for sale at HRBR layout. The property located near Jal Vayu Vihar layout, near Cafe Coffee Day. Then this is a south facing plot, east facing door, 100% Vastu formatted house, located at in very good neighborhood. For the pricing details and the more about the property description, you can read the description below the video. Anything regarding the inspection or appointment, you can log on to our website www.mybangaloreproperty.com. Thanks for the watching the video.